Namaste everyone, I hope you all doing good. Today's topic is about how to reduce abdominal fat or belly fat, and I would like to tell you this was the most common question asked by the viewers. So I have tried my best to make a very simple, easy but effective video for you all, and please stay tuned till the end of the video because I'll be sharing with you the reason why after so much of effort people struggle to reduce their abdominal fat. So before that, first let me start with simple and effective yoga asana. Let's go and watch the video. So first asana we'll be doing half boat pose. It is also known as Earth Asana. So how to do half boat pose? First sit in dandasana, spine straight, both legs together, hands near to your hips, and be there for a while, and rotate your shoulders back and keep your spine straight. Now slowly lift your both legs up, bending your knees, and hold the posture for 5 seconds. Now we will be doing Uttan Padasana. So how to do Uttan Padasana? Lie down on supine posture and just focus on your abdomen, and with a deep inhalation lift your both legs up in 30 degrees. Hold your posture for 5 seconds and slowly relax. Now lift your legs up in 45 degrees. Inhale up, slowly release and relax for some time. Now we will lift both legs in 90 degrees. So start, inhale both legs up and hold there. Slowly come to 45. ,30 and release. If you are not able to lift your legs, you can take the support of your both hands. Hold there for some time and slowly come back. So this was Uttan Padasana. Now we will do Pavan Muktasana. Inhale, lift your both legs up, bend your knees. Exhale, try to touch your forehead with your knees. Hold there for some time and come back, and again in the same way slowly come back and relax. Next pose, plank pose. Start down in push-up position, rest on forearms, keep your legs straight and stomach lifted up. Hold there for some time. Hold there for 5 seconds. For beginners, slowly you can go up to 20-30 seconds and then slowly come back and relax in Makarasana. Now we will do side plank. Keep your hands on your thighs first and slowly lift your hip up, legs straight, tighten your legs, hands up and look up. Normal breathing. People who are not able to stretch their arms, they can keep on their waist straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release and come back and change to the other side. Lift up this side part of your abdomen, your waist, and hands up and look up on your fingertip and be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and slowly release. So this was plank which we did just now. So in the beginning of the video I told you that I'll be sharing reasons why people struggle to reduce the belly fat after so much effort. The first reason for abdominal belly fat is stress. As we can see around us, many people going through stress. So how to live a stress-free life? Start from yourself by giving time to yourself. Go for a walk, do some breathing exercise, meditation, and stay positive as much as you can. And the second most important reason for abdominal fat is our diet, as we are too much into junk food and not taking nutritious food which our body needs. So if you are really worried about your abdominal fat, try to avoid junk food, processed food, and also reduce the intake of sugar and salt from your diet. And lastly, try to get a good sleep at least for 6 hours.
Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Please let us know about the topic on which you want to see the video. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And one more thing, do it regularly and reduce your belly fat. Now we will see you in our next video. Till then, stay happy and stay healthy. Thank you. Namaskar.